Hey guys, Facebook Messenger has a new feature update called Watch Together that makes it easy to watch video with your friends. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Watch Together on Messenger. Now, let's get started. To begin, open Messenger and start a video or audio chat with the people you want to watch together with. Once everyone has joined, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to access a menu with more options. Then select Watch Together. From there you can select a suggested video or pick from categories like music, TV watched and saved. Search for a specific video using the search bar at the top of the menu. Tap a video to select it and start watching. Tap the video while playing to bring up playback controls. This way you can push play, rewind or skip forward. You can use Watch Together with up to 8 people on Messenger video call or up to 50 people using Messenger rooms. Tap the X to quit watching. That's all it takes to use Watch Together on Facebook Messenger. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.